who is known as the father of Indian literature? The correct answer is number A, Rabindranath Tagore. The Indian state of Himachal Pradesh is known for which hill station? The correct answer is number B, Shimla. Who is known as the Wizard of Hockey? The correct answer is number A, Dhyan Chand. Who is the first Indian woman to win a Booker Prize? The correct answer is number C, Arundhati Roy. Who is known as the Lady with the Lamp in India? The correct answer is number A, Florence Nightingale. The famous Indian poet Subramania Bharati is associated with which language? The correct answer is number D, Tamil. The Indian state of Maharashtra is known for which city, often referred to as the Bollywood capital of India? The correct answer is number A, Mumbai. Who is known as the Birdman of India? The correct answer is number B, Salim Ali. Who is known as the father of Indian photography? The correct answer is number A, Raja Din Dayal. Who is known as the Empress of Indian Television? The correct answer is number C, Ekta Kapoor. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? The correct answer is number A, Dada Saheb Phalke. Who is known as the poet Laureate of India? The correct answer is number D, Rabindranath Tagore. The famous Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore wrote the national anthem of which two countries? The correct answer is number A, India and Bangladesh. Who is known as the saint of Sabarmati? The correct answer is number B, Mahatma Gandhi. Who is the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize in Physics? The correct answer is number D, Subramanian Chandrasekhar. Who is known as the father of Indian modern dance? The correct answer is number A, Uday Shankar. The Indian state of Haryana is known for which dance form? The correct answer is number B, Haryanvi folk dance. Who is known as the Queen of Indian track and field? The correct answer is number A, P.T. Usha. Who is known as the lady superstar of Indian cinema? The correct answer is number D, Sridevi. The Indian state of Mizoram is known for which traditional dance form? The correct answer is number A, Chirao dance. Who is known as the king of Indian pop? The correct answer is number B, Sonu Nigam. Who is known as the queen of Indian classical music? The correct answer is number C, M.S. Subbalakshmi. The Indian state of Sikkim is known for which famous lake? The correct answer is number A, Tosongo Lake. Who is known as the flying queen of Indian badminton? The correct answer is number B, P.V. Sindhu. Who is the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize in economics? The correct answer is number B, Amartya Sen. The Indian state of Uttarakhand is known for which hill station? The correct answer is number A, Mussoorie. The Indian state of Sikkim is known for which famous mountain peak? The correct answer is number A, Kanchenjunga. The famous Indian poet Kazi Nazrul Islam is associated with which language? The correct answer is number A, Bengali. Who is the first Indian woman to win a Nobel Peace Prize? The correct answer is number B, Mother Teresa. The Indian state of Jharkhand is known for which famous waterfall? The correct answer is number C, Hundru Falls.